Hello everybody and welcome to the Canadian Money Talk. In reference to a video where I said I would start taking my RRSPs out early in order to level out my taxes, I have a comment here, I'm assuming from a financial advisor, who says, I push people between ages 60 and 65 to either eliminate or vastly reduce their registered account. This allows them to keep their full old age security, I'm assuming he means, or she means. So that wasn't the intent of the original video. I just wanted to lower my taxes and level them, while this is about not getting your old age security clawed back. So I think it really depends on what your goal is. I think most people would either want to maximize their withdrawals while they can enjoy it after taxes to use in retirement, or number two, they want to maximize what they're leaving to their children in an estate, again after taxes. Maybe your goal is just to minimize the taxes. I don't think your goal is to screw the CRA and the government and to get, quote, what's coming to you. Or what you feel you paid for. That's sort of counterproductive. I know there's rich people out there who pay a bunch of taxes up front, so for a year or two they can have low income and they don't get their OAS clawed back, and maybe they even look impoverished, so they get the guaranteed income supplement for a couple of years. I think this ends up costing people overall, just so they can say they got $8,700 in old age security. So if you draw down your registered accounts 60 to 65, the taxes will likely spike during that time. And while, yeah, the clients will then get OAS, arguably, and this all is individual and depends on the calculations, they probably paid more upfront. So if you want to do the strategy, do the RSP withdrawals until 70, so you can get a higher OAS and CPP if you start them at 70. And you can spread out the withdrawals over 10 years, lowering the tax brackets. Do your planning by running this through the web calculators, your financial planner software, if you have a financial planner, and visit your Services Canada office to make a good decision. Make sure you're achieving your money goals for your life, not that you're putting one over on the government for a few years, but ended up paying more in the long run in taxes. And balance is really the key here.